That's basically the foundation of the bridge. So that's why they drill them down to bedrock. That's why they're so deep. 60 to 65 feet in the ground. They'll get them in there and then they'll build up from that. So yeah, that's the foundation of the bridge, these columns. 16 3-foot holes. We've got 25 of the 8-foot holes. They got 2 of these small columns poured. They poured 2 of them yesterday. You can kind of see the rebar sticking up. And they poured that this morning. They're working on removing the temporary casing. So on these small ones, they'll screw them in the ground just, to keep all the ground stable. Otherwise, they'll just keep collapsing. They'll screw that in. They'll put the rebar cage in, pour the concrete in, and then they'll pull out the casing because the concrete's already in there. The small ones don't get a permanent casing. The big ones gets this permanent casing. They haven't really started any bridge work yet. Once they get these columns poured, then they'll start working on the abutment. Then we'll start working on the bent cap on the rest of these. It'll get a bent cap on the big columns. It's just a big old chunk of concrete that spans from the columns, and then the girders will go on top of that, and then the bridge deck. So the riprap, it's 15.5 foot of rock. It's about 30 feet wide. It ranges from 2 foot to 4 foot rock that armors the abutment, just so it won't get washed away. They're still working on the east side. Yeah, there's too much congestion on the west side. So kind of once we'll get that side done, we'll come over here, we'll start working on the pad for the abutment. We'll get the abutment going. We've got a trail that's just west of this bridge. We're gonna be doing a box culvert. So we got a trail system. So the trail will go underneath the road. So we'll be working on that next. Once we get that east riprap done, then we'll move back over here.